you can play Carol of the Bells. Now in this arrangement, you'll be playing the main theme. Let's start with part 1 with our right hand. You can start with finger 3 or 4. I'll show you. Put your finger on C. Now, if you like, you can use finger 4, and that's also comfortable. I'll demonstrate that. The next part number 2, takes that theme and moves it up 2 white keys. So here's what we're going to do. Part number 2 starts on E. Now in this arrangement, the teacher plays the next part in the middle, and you just play a single note A, and you play that 4 times. We'll get to that in a minute. So now you know part number 1 and you know part number 2. Watch as I play. My right hand is going to play your part. Follow my right hand. My left hand is going to play the teacher part. That way you'll be able to hear all the parts. Here we go. Don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Just watch the video again, and I bet you'll be playing Carol of the Bells soon.